Why is an aged tea necessary good tea? Many people often misunderstand that, like wine, the more a tea is aged, the better it becomes. They wrongly think that a tea which has been stored for 20 years must be better than the tea which has been stored for 10 years. To determine whether a tea is good or not, we not only look at its maturity, but also its variety, process method, and aging environmental. For example, it's possible that the variety, process methods, and maturities are perfect, but unfortunately, the storage environmentals does not match. Consequently, due to humidity, there is a musty smell and the spirit's efforts are waste. Today, I'd like to share with you some tips on how to spot a nice cup of tea with a sip. First, mildew. First check if the tea is mildew. If mildew, it means that the tea has been infected by bacteria and is not suitable for drinking. Second, turbid. A nice cup of tea should be clean. Turbidity means that there may be many impurities in the tea. Third, stain. It means that it has been stored for too long and the tea flavor has been weakened. In any case, a nice tea is the result of the combinations of maturities, varieties, process method, and aging environmental. Remember, if the tea itself is of poor qualities in the first place, it will never be a good one even after 100 years. The above information is provided by teamastermay, who shares the pleasures of tea tasting with you.